So now we're going to move on to the basics of 3D modeling once we've completed our sketch. So first let's start by making a sketch. So I'll just make a 2D circle. Escape. Now I'll click Finish Sketch to exit the Sketching tab. Now it automatically puts me into the Model tab, where we can create, modify, and do a whole bunch of actions on 2D and 3D parts. So we're going to start with the Create sort of section, and this video is going to be about extrusions. So Extrude, or you could just hit the shortcut E. If we click Extrude, then we pick the profile that we want to extrude. So you can click Profile, click the profile, and then the output. Here it's either going to be a solid or sort of a surface, like a skeleton. If we were to extrude, it would sort of make a hollow tube, and this would make a disc or a cylinder, solid cylinder. So now this is the direction that we're going to be extruding in, so we can go out of the screen, into the screen, or in both directions equally. So then we want to pick the extent of the extrusion. So we can either go to, we pick another surface. So imagine in 3D if there's a surface closer to your face and we clicked that surface, then we could extrude this all the way to that. Or we could choose from to, or distance is the simplest one. Is you just enter a distance that you want to extrude it. So if we want to extrude it 1 inch out of the page, we click OK. Actually, what's in the More tab? Oh, just tapering. Irrelevant, really. So let's just extrude this. So we extruded it 1 inch. Now if we go into our 3D orbit, you can see we've got a solid cylinder. Now extrusion is also used in cutting. So I'll show you just how we can cut. Let's say we had a sketch that was on top of this circle, and we want to extrude this into there to cut it out. We'd go back to Extrude, so Finish Sketch, Extrude, pick our surface that we want to extrude. Now it's defaulted to extrude up, but we can say extrude into the surface, and we can say 3 inches, or to this, like all the way through. We want to go cut. So if we enter a distance of cut, let's say 1/2 inch, it's going to cut halfway through. We've got a couple: intersect, cut, and join. So we'll use cut. So there we go. We've extruded a solid cylinder, and I've also showed you how to use the cut feature of Extrude. So next video we'll work on the Revolve Create feature.